We're about to have breakfast now. Zanya made breakfast again. Eggs, cucumber, tomato, some cottage sausage with mushrooms and leeks. And that's her plate. Some toast, cheese, cucumber, tomato, and she's doing the eggs. We had problems again uploading the video yesterday, and it was too much. After hours upon hours of trying to figure out what was wrong with that video, Zanya did a test where she cut the video in half and tried to export that portion to see if the error was in that first portion, and it was successful. There was no error because all of the other ones failed. I tried to import the video through compressor, that failed. So with the test that she did, she just added on a few things and ended it with that. So that video will be coming out today, and we'll try to get out Vlogmas Day 3 today as well. After I'm done eating breakfast, I'm about to go meet up with our host to get our bags that she had secured for us while we were in cash, and then pay her the money for the Airbnb. And then I don't know what Zanya will be up to here. Oh, she'll be working on Vlogmas Day 3 and maybe getting some design work done.
Good morning, y'all. So I come to y'all from in the bed because I'm working right now and I don't feel like sitting up at the table, and plus it's cold, so I want to be up under the duvet. But Darian would have already showed y'all breakfast that I made this morning, and he would have told y'all about the vlog yesterday, which is day 2 Vlogmas. We had some issues exporting. So usually we have issues with internet, so that's already an issue in itself. But this time we had issues with exporting from Final Cut Pro. I don't know if there was a corrupted file in there, but it wasn't exporting. It would get to like sometimes 50, sometimes 74, and then fail. So we went to bed frustrated last night because we spent even more hours trying to figure it out. But this morning we said we'll just start from scratch. Thankfully, I was able to salvage like half of it and just add on to it. So that's up now. I'm just doing the thumbnail. It's already on YouTube. I have it private until I finish with the thumbnail because I was making breakfast and eating. But I'll show you what we have going on now for the thumbnail, which I'm about to upload and put on there. I still haven't designed a Christmassy thumbnail yet in terms of like how we're gonna design a Turkish Christmas on the thumbnail, but in the interest of time, we'll just keep it like this until I have some time to design that. Darian's out getting our stuff from the Airbnb host and paying her for this Airbnb. We have some stuff in storage, in her storage, that we left when we were in her other Airbnb. So if y'all saw our first Airbnb from Istanbul, she's the same host, but this is another one of her properties. This is just like a little studio because it's all we really need. So yeah, I'll show y'all what I have so far and take y'all along with me today at home because we basically gonna be working all day because we're behind because of the technical issues we had. So I'm gonna finish with this thumbnail, put this thumbnail up so I could make that video live and work on day 3, export that, upload that so that could be ready by 4 a.m. our time, 8 p.m. your time, if you watching from Eastern Standard Time. And then we'll figure out what we'll do from then. I don't know if we'll have time to work on the website today, but we'll see what we end up getting up to. We may also leave the house a little bit later, but our main thing is getting these vlogs up and ready since we know we always having some type of technical or internet issue. So I've been using my data to upload the vlog. I haven't even been playing with the internet. So this morning I just hotspot my data to the laptop and the vlog uploaded within like 15 minutes. So pretty quick. So yeah, let me show y'all. So let me take y'all. I just went continue with Canva. So this is what I have come up with so far. So instead of taking a picture from the video, I just took a picture from our phones. So I took this picture yesterday after we got the coffee from Starbucks, and then we took this picture when we went to the food store. So it kind of matched with what's going on in the 2 video. And let me show y'all. I just left it at this for now in terms of this designing with the Turkish Christmas and Vlogmas Day 2. Okay, so this is the finished product. So I decided to put a little silver glitter swirl here in the corner to make it a little more festive. But I feel like the pictures, the colors, and the way I edited the picture already make it look kind of festive. So I'm happy with this. I'm about to upload this to YouTube, and then make the video public and work on vlog number 3.
I'm back now, and I got our 2 travel backpacks and this other bag with toiletries and some different stuff that we left with our Airbnb host. And I'm just gonna show you guys what it is. So this is the bag with the stuff that we left. Some olive oil, this bottle of vinegar, some apple cider vinegar, some muesli that Zanya bought to eat for breakfast. Some noodles, some curry powder and cumin that I had. Everything bagel seasoning. If you never heard about this, don't say you never put you on to anything. This slaps. This is another seasoning. Basically like a Cajun seasoning. Spaghetti noodles. Some other spices in there. These 2 3-ounce collapsible containers that we use to travel with and put face cleansers or whatever other liquid that we need, lotion, shampoo, whatever. But this one has a face cleanser in it right now and the other one is empty. Lotion, toilet paper, some conditioner that we bought but had to leave when we went to cash because it was too big. Air freshener and some floss. And then these are 2 travel backpacks from Osprey that we left with jackets, hoodies, and anything else extra that we didn't really need to take with us. So that's it. Thank you, Neslihan, for securing these for us while we went away. Yeah, we really appreciate that. What you doing, boo boo?
I didn't move it.
What you got? I didn't tell me.
Day 3.
How you going so far?
Good, almost done. I can let you come right here and watch it with me. What? What I was saying? I don't remember.
The sound done.
I don't remember. Yeah, we can watch it and then I think it's only one more. Oh, I remember what I was saying. I was saying it like about 24 minutes. Yeah.
That's good.
So we're about to watch it and then make sure everything flow and then upload it so y'all can see it. So there'll be 2 videos that went live today. Day 2, we had to put that up in the morning because we had some technical difficulties, which y'all will see in the beginning of this video. And then we still want this to be up for 3 o'clock, for 8 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. So 2 videos in a day. And then we probably could look at the footage we have for day 4. We anticipate we'll leave the house tomorrow.
Early.
Yeah, and then Darian found out from our Airbnb host where to get Christmas decorations from. Yeah. So hopefully we go tomorrow. We would have liked to go now, but it's already 6:41 and everything closed.
The sun set from like 5:30 something and.
Yeah, and stores closed at 7. Yeah. So because of the Turkish curfew at 8, for Turkish locals, only tourists could be out after 8. But it's like everything closed anyway. So unless you're going for some takeout somewhere, it don't make sense to even leave unless you're going for a walk or something or you have to go to the bank. Yeah. So Yeah, probably tomorrow.
And the temperature's starting to drop now, so unless you have a reason to be out, then,
Yeah.
or unless you properly outfitted with your jackets and your whatever. But we ain't into doing all that if we don't have nowhere to go, so.
Yeah, and police is be out there checking, Joe.
Yeah.
They making sure only tourists out after hours, or like nobody still open who ain't supposed to be open.
Yeah.
So yeah, probably tomorrow we'll leave the house and then probably get some decorations.
Yeah.
And then come back and decorate.
Market. Yeah.
That'll be cute. We wanted to do that for day one, but we couldn't figure out. Oh shit.
Yeah, shout out Neslihan if you're watching this.
Yeah.
You're a real one. Shout out the plug. When I went to pick up our bags and stuff that she secured for us in storage, I asked her if she knew of anywhere that we could get Christmas decorations, and she said yeah. So she sent me the address, and she sent me the address for another mall as well. And then I asked her if she knew where we could get a Christmas tree.
Would that be so good? Yeah, to get a tree.
I asked her if she knew where we could get a Christmas tree, and she said it's not a real one, it's a fake one. I said, that works.
That's what we want. Yeah.
That's what you want, you know what I mean?
And we could just leave it with her. And
yeah.
She could use it if she celebrates Christmas, or like if there's another guest who come next year and they want a Christmas tree, she'll have it to give to them.
Yeah, they'll have it. They'll have that available to them if they want. You know what I mean? So I just got back from the store, picked up some Magnum ice cream bars, some cling wrap, pack of wings, and a pack of thighs, and 3 sodas. Everything came out to 67 lira. It's like $8-9. Feels good to have this hoodie back along with my other pullover sweater, just so you can have some options when you don't feel like wearing the other jacket. But I'm about to wash some dishes now and make dinner. I know Zanya wanted the fried wings for sure, the barbecue wings, so I'm gonna do that for her, and then for me, I don't know yet. Yeah, the wings will be an appetizer. And what you feeling?
What our options is curry and what
else? Curry or steamed chicken, and then I have some thighs too. I can make a pasta with that again if you want.
I guess curry is good.
Okay. So curry is. So we love the wings for appetizer, and then the curry drumsticks, rice, and a side of peas and corn mix. Zanya is still working away at Vlogmas Day 3, and hopefully we can get that up to you guys by tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So the food is all done, and now we're just gonna watch something on Netflix or watch Vlogmas on YouTube. Typically this is our setup: the phone on the tripod with the phone attachment. If you just wanna watch something and our laptop isn't around, we'll just use this setup, or we'll just watch something on the laptop, of course. Now we're just gonna enjoy this, watch something on Netflix or Vlogmas, and then maybe do a bit more editing and head to bed. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. We're done with dinner now. We're having dessert. These mini Magnum ice cream bars that you were just seeing earlier. Zanya is eating the berry one, and I'm having the double chocolate one. It's so good. We're gonna enjoy these and finish watch Vlogmas. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.